these cute little candles. Good morning. It is, well, you saw what time it is. I was up, actually, I was still on my bed scrolling through my phone thinking I need to get up, need some coffee, and I need to do a Tiny Tidy Tuesday. So why not take down Halloween? But first, have my cup of coffee. This Tiny Tidy Tuesday is a part of a collaboration that's hosted by my dear friend Sunday Dawn at the Helpful Home, who shares a weekly playlist of our team Tiny Tidy, as well as some weekly guests. A lot of Tiny Tidy motivation for you. If you are doing a Tiny Tidy this week, let us know what you're tidying today in the comments below. I hope you go check out these lovely channels for more cleaning, tidying, and decluttering motivation. Today is early Tuesday morning, November 1st. That's right, in real time, Tiny Tidy Tuesday. This was the very first thing I wanted to accomplish today. Well, before my day begins with the rest of the house chores and caregiving to my mom. The house is quiet, the house heater just turned on, and there's Halloween mess from last night as we just placed things as be and went to bed. I wanted to place everything on the kitchen table first and figure out what I have, what I want to donate, and what will fit in my one storage tote. Cool, everything is actually fitting in here. Even this pumpkin. You don't know how happy that makes me feel. These cute ghosts were handmade by this lady I had found at a craft festival. Aren't these cute? They were only $20 for the set of 3, and she shipped them from Vegas to here, and she had them in here and they were perfectly fine. But I really don't want to use this box to go in the attic, so I'm hoping I can place some of these things in here and then place them carefully in there. That's the goal. I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of, I'm actually not gonna get rid of them, I'm gonna donate these cute little candles. I enjoyed them very much, but I think it's just time for me to go ahead and depart with those. These ones I said in my decluttering video of Halloween, I was gonna declutter these and donate those once Halloween is over. So that's gonna be gone. Look at that, I didn't even use these. So I'm gonna go ahead and donate what's in those. And I didn't even use the spider web, and I've had this way too long, so I'm gonna go ahead and donate those items. Okay, I got Halloween done. It didn't really take that long at all, so it was definitely a great tiny tidy Tuesday just to start off the 1st of November. I just wanted to get this done so that I can begin my rest of my day. This was nice just to take a moment as quietly as I could so I didn't disturb Queen G. Make sure you go check out the playlist listed in the description box below for some more tiny tidy motivation for you. And if you're new, click on that subscribe button. I would love to have you join me for more Tiny Tidy Tuesdays, cleaning with me, decluttering, and my weekly vlogs. Thanks a lot for watching, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye!